Hey guys, welcome back to Team Coding Plaza. Today, the concept we are going to cover is that remove directory. Remove directory is nothing but to the command is used to remove the empty directories. Okay, not the filled directories with the content. The content is not there. No, like empty directories we are going to remove, right? Using remove directory, you can able to command. RM is different. rmdir command is different. Don't confuse here. Okay, RM also I am going to make a video on next sessions. Definitely please follow up that. And here RM directory like mkdir, it's an rmdir, remove directory, but this command is useful to remove only empty directories, not the filled directories. Okay. So this will be useful only if the requirement is called. So there will be more use new folders will be there or else empty directories will be there. No, identifying that, removing that very tough, right? If you are using this command, it will be very easy. Even though the it is touching the data is there, no, that command means it won't affect anything. Okay. So let's start the video. And what is the remove directory command? Remove directory stands for rmdir stands for remove directory. Okay. This command is used to delete empty folders in the Linux. Note here one note I have written that it only works if the folder is completely empty. Okay. No files or subdirectories inside should be there. Okay. Even subdirectories are there also. It won't work. That real time we can able to see. This is what the syntax to use this. Okay, remove directory and empty folders only you have to give after this. Let's see that in playground how it work. See, we are inside the coding plaza folder, no? Yes. Here, uh, one folder will create that mkdir, that content will create. Okay. So one folder is there content. Okay, this folder don't have any content. That's it. Okay. So, in the situation, then I am going to create another folder that content 2. So, here how many folders are there? Content 2, different multiple folders are there, no, with empty folders. This I am going to remove using the mkdir command, not rm. Okay, it's rmdir, not mkdir, sorry, rmdir. Yes, it removed the content, right? Same like that, rmdir content 2. Like this, you can able to use to remove the empty directories. What if a doubt will come for you, right? If the content is there, how the error will come and what is the scenario? Okay. To see that, you'll see here the examples I will show you. After that, I will come to background again. See here, what happens if the folder is not empty? What will happen? If you try to remove a directory that's not empty, you will get an error, right? So here example you can see that make directory demo I have made. Touch means touch command will be create for empty files. So demo file txt I have created. Remove directory demo if I am giving. Like this it will be throw the error. Remove directory fail to remove demo. Directory is not empty. Okay, you no need to bother about rmdir. When your requirement is to remove the empty folders, then rmdir will perform very well. Okay, you don't need to check the content is there, size of the folder like that. You don't need to check at all. You don't need to write the shell scripting to that. It's very easy command, right? So let's see in playground how it this working, this error, how I will raise, I will show you. See here, I'm having another folder called React on videos. Okay, so I'm going to inside videos. What will happen? See inside video lecture.mp4 on file is there. No. So what we'll do means we'll remove the videos. Okay, we'll try to remove videos. rmdir our command videos. See what the red came? rmdir videos directory is not empty. Okay. It's very safe command to use the remove. Instead of rm is very dangerous command and we have to use it very carefully. But coming to rmdir, it's very safe where the empty directories are there. Okay. empty directories, it will be removed very efficiently. But if there is any content folders are there, it won't touch at all. I think you guys have been understood this session very well. If you are having any doubt, definitely give me in the comment section doubts. I will be clear and I will make a different videos on that doubts also. Yeah, I think this video got completed. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.